You know you're a Disney fan when one of your bucket list items is to get evac'd off of a Disney ride. We did it. This is our family's experience being evacuated off of Splash Mountain.
We're riding Splash Mountain, obviously, and the ride is stuck, so who knows, we might have to get the Castmembers out. She just announced something, but I have no idea what she said. And we're stuck at the Zipadeedoodah part, so it's like, we're going to be hearing this non-stop, but we're going to go eat at Pecos Bills after this, when we get unstuck. And then we're going to get Dole Whip, and then ride 7 Dwarfs Mine Train, and then we're going to leave. We've been here for so long.
We're sorry, but due to technical difficulties, we have temporarily closed Splash Mountain and do not plan to reopen at the moment. Please remain in your lot, and a cast member will be with you shortly to help you exit.
Well, we're about to get kicked off Splash Mountain. Technical difficulties.
Cast members will be with you shortly to assist you from your right vehicle. Please remain fully seated until a cast member has arrived.
All
As
right.
a reminder, face coverings must fully cover your nose and mouth.
We're getting kicked off the ride, which I'm happy. It just said that we were gonna get kicked off, and I'm really happy.
With you shortly to assist you from your right vehicle. Please remain fully seated until a cast member has arrived. As a reminder, face coverings must fully cover your nose and mouth and be worn at all times. Once again, please remain fully seated at all times until a cast member arrives. There may be an additional delay to maintain physical distancing between parties during the exit.
I'm so excited. We're stuck. Are we stuck? We're stuck. Our cast member has not gotten to us yet because we're at the very, very end. But still, we're gonna get kicked off, and I'm very excited about that. We still got to enjoy the ride, which is the best part. So they said they would have to tee up. Oh, they can't get to us because of our positioning. Yeah, they can't get to us. Nice. They got us teed up.
Wow.
And so they had to get us a rope. And then they took us back. And we can, hopefully we'll get a behind the scenes tour.
We're going backwards. They're pulling us off.
They got us teed up.
Wow.
And so they had to get us a rope.
Very cool.
And we can ours up. They're starting in the back.
There you go. You want me to cover your back for you?
Oh, that'd be great. Thank you. Just to be safe.
Stay seated.
You stay seated.
Princess, you can
If
either
you
jump
want
over
to,
or
you can get into this row.
or you can go from there, whatever you want, whatever you feel safe.
Great.
Thank you. So we just got evacuated off of Splash Mountain.
That was the coolest thing ever.
Yeah, we got to go backstage, and we got to see a lot of boats that were being repaired, and there were some people who were right at the exit, so I don't think they got to go backstage, but we did get a free fast pass to any ride except for Mine Train and Peter Pan.
Yep. So that was so cool, but they did tell us to put our phones away so we couldn't record or take pictures of anything that happened, but I did get to record because our boat was stuck in a spot that we couldn't get out. There was no step on the other side for us to get out to, so they had to pull us back. Is that what they called it?
Teed out, yep.
Teed
they
out.
hooked it on the back of the hook of the boat, and they pulled us out, and it was really cool.
And then we were able to
And
hop
I
out.
also got to wear my new Splash Mountain,
Or Space Mountain.
Space Mountain
jacket.
jacket.
She's so excited.
Yeah.
And now we're waiting for Pecos Bill, and then we're gonna get Dole Whip. We're gonna use our Fast Pass and do 7 Dwarfs, and then I think we're done.
Pirates
Yep.
and then 7 Dwarfs.
Pirates
Yeah, and
for
we're
the
gonna
Fast
use
Pass.
our Fast Pass for 7, or not 7 Dwarfs.
Pirates. And then we're gonna do 7 Dwarfs.
Yep.
Woohoo! We're good?
Yep.
That is the line we get to skip because we got stuck on Splash Mountain. So, Fast Pass, we got one. We're coming.
Now, you scurvy scoundrel! Do I hear 10? A hen for a 10!
Divine singing.
Jack Sparrow. And the chair that he is in was used in the movie Haunted Mansion.
Is that not true?
One of the animatronics behind us at the jail scene,
Drink up
the
behind
face was actually a girl going out of Haunted Mansion. So they reused some of the same faces. And that is the line we passed with our Fast Pass. It's all the way down here. And we passed all of that with our Fast Pass because Splash Mountain broke down. Ooh. It's pretty at night. We're headed to get our Dole Whip.